Good morning, friends. Very good morning to all of you guys. Good morning, friends. Very good morning to all of you guys. Yes, some of the students asking that it is my first session. It is all right. Yes, dear, it is absolutely all right. No problem at all. Today, we will conclude the chapter of inventory. And today itself, we will start bank reconciliation statement. And the student who are joined for the first time, then don't worry at all, because in inventory today we are starting the last point of chapter, that is stock taking. And this point has nothing to do with the previous points, right? It's a new point, it's a different point. So if you are joining for the first time, don't worry at all. You will be able to understand. And then we will start bank reconciliation statement. And for my previous session, depreciation, we have completed inventory almost, so you can refer YouTube videos. And if anything, you can mail me your queries. I hope what we are reading today, I have explained. Okay, guys. So without wasting time, let's start with chapter. So we are starting with the point called this is what we have completed in last session. We have completed this adjusted selling price. This method we have completed. And now we are starting with a concept called inventory taking. A concept called inventory taking. Okay. Now, what does it mean exactly, and which type of question has been asked? Now, guys, inventory taking means generally what happened in books, in our software. Say, for example, you are using Tally software. So, as on 31st March 2022, your Tally software will tell you that you have a closing stock of rupees 1 lakh. This is closing stock as per books. This is closing stock as per books, right? As per book. But logically, you can say, for always internal control purpose, all the companies, all the businessmen also do physical stock taking activity, that is physical counting of the stock. Think about the business like Reliance Smart or big provision store, right? Or a big engineering company who have thousands of different size and shapes of inventory. So perhaps it may possible that physical counting of stock completes on 7th of April or 8th of April. So now what is the problem? Sir, problem is that basically why we are doing this physical counting, because we want to compare book stock versus physical stock, and if both are different, then we need to find out reason for differences. It is very much essential for the inventory control. But the problem is that, sir, we have a book stock as on 31st March, but we have a physical stock as on 8th of April. Sir, we can't compare both of this because our cutoff date is 31st March. Our book stock is of 31st March, but our physical stock we have completed on 8th of April. So this we cannot compare. So what we supposed to do, sir, 8th April stock should be reconverted, should be recalculated to find out the stock as on 31st March 2022. It means I will be given physical stock as on 8th of April. I have to do reverse calculation and I need to find out stock as on 31st March. From 8th of April, I need to reach 31st March. From 8th of April, I need to reach 31st March. Now guys, tell me very logically, nothing huge rocket science, okay? You are given 8th of April, say for example, stock of rupees 50,000, physical stock. And from 8th April, you need to do reverse calculation and you need to find out the closing stock as on 31st March. Now you will be given, say for example, 2 transactions from 31st March to 8th April. 31st March to 8th April, you have received stock of rupees 20,000 and you have issued stock of 10,000. You have received stock of 20,000 and you have issued stock of 10,000. So guys, if 8th April stock is 50,000, say for example, I need a stock of 31st March, reverse calculation. And during this 8 days, my receipt is of 20,000 and my issue is of 10,000. 20,000 incoming, 10,000 outgoing. 20,000 incoming, 10,000 outgoing. So can you tell me guys, in 50,000, what I will add and what I will minus if I want a stock of 31st March. So 50,000 is a stock of 8th April. During this 8 days, 20,000 is receiving and 10,000 is going. And I need a stock of 31st March. So I need to do a reverse calculation. So in 50,000, one thing will be added and one thing will be minus. So can you tell me? It's a simple thing. What should I add? Receipt and issue. Forget about the amount. What should I add and what should I minus if I want a closing stock from 8th of April to 31st March? From 8th of April to 31st March. Tell me guys, what should I do? What should I add and what should I minus? Perfect, Ritika. Perfect. What should I less and what should I add? Yes, Monu. Yes, Kirti. Yes, Prerit. Yes, Navnit. Sakshi, Rohini. Yes. So guys, so many answers. Yes, Malay. Okay. So simply I can say, sir, it's a reverse calculation. I have to I have to add my issue and I have to less my receipts. Simple. I have to add my issue and I have to less my receipts. Perfect. So many students are perfect. So many. That is fine. That is correct. Very nice. So guys, can we freeze like this as you said? Physical stock as on 7th April is 40 units, say for example. Okay. Receipts and issue. So 50 is receipts, 30 is issue, and we need stock of 31st March, right? So my physical stock as on 7th April is 40 units, right? Is 40 units. My receipts are 50. My receipts are 50 and my issue is 30. So my stock will be 20. I hope it is clear, guys. I hope it is clear. This is what you have told me. Physical stock plus issue minus receipts. Is it fine, guys? Is it clear, guys? Okay, simple. This is what you have told me. This is what we are supposed to do. I am getting everyone answer, but there are more than 70, 80, 90, I think 100 answers. So how can I speak everybody's name? I am getting everyone's answer. Don't worry. Is it clear, guys? Can we go further in next point, in next logic? Students, can we go further? Because I got some of answer. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Remaining students, can we go further, guys? Okay, fine. Thank you, guys. Thanks. Now, see the important point. See, issue means sales. Issue means sales, right? And receipts means purchase. Issue means sales and receipts means purchase. Now the important one, guys, which should be keep in mind. Inventory, we always want a cost price, right? But this issue, what we are adding here, friends, this issue, what we are adding here, it is our sales. And sales is generally given at the selling price. So whatever amount of sales you are giving in a question, you cannot add straight away this sales into this inventory calculation, because sales is given at the selling price. You can't add that selling price in this inventory calculation. So tell me, guys, purchase you can add directly, but purchase you can minus directly, because you have to minus purchase. Receipts mean purchase, okay? Purchase, but sales you cannot add directly. So what you are supposed to do, if you cannot add sales directly, what you are supposed to do? क्या करना पड़ेगा? Sales को add करने से पहले, guys, what we are supposed to do? क्या बात है वरुण? Perfectly all right. What we are supposed to do? Sir, we cannot add sales because it is at selling price. We have to reduce GP from the sales and then we have to add. So we have to add cost price of sales. Perfect, guys. Perfect. क्या बात है? क्या बात? क्या बात? क्या बात? Very nice. Sir, we have to reduce profit from that. Okay, guys. So now let's conclude the first point. Sales is generally given at the selling price. And we want inventory at cost price. And therefore, sale minus GP percentage on sale. Guys, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है जो मैं अलग कलर से लिख रहा हूं. फिर से एक बार रिमेंबर क्या लिखा है मैंने. We have to sale minus GP percentage on sale. GP percentage on sale. If in a question you are given sale, you are also given GP percentage, but if GP percentage is given on cost, if GP percentage is given on cost, you cannot minus that percentage. You have to convert that GP percentage on cost on GP percentage on sale. GP percentage on cost you cannot minus, you have to convert that GP percentage on cost in GP percentage on sales. I hope you guys know what is that simple table. GP percentage on cost equal to GP percentage on sales. वो पता है guys, वो याद है. फाइनल अकाउंट के चैप्टर में आता है ये पॉइंट. कंसाइनमेंट में भी आता है. जीपी परसेंटेज ऑन कॉस्ट इक्वल टू जीपी परसेंटेज ऑन सेल. छोटा सा टेबल होता है जैसे कि 25% ऑन कॉस्ट इक्वल टू 20 ऑन सेल, 33.33 ऑन कॉस्ट इक्वल टू 25 ऑन सेल. ऐसा कुछ पता है फ्रेंड? ऐसा कुछ टेबल कैलकुलेशन जो भी आपको सिखाया गया हो. Guys, do you know that? Because यहाँ एक आध समय वो आएगा. That's why I'm making clear. GP percentage on cost equals to GP percentage on sale. That small table or how to convert. Very simple. Very simple. It is part of file account. It is part of consignment also. कहीं ना कहीं it is part of that. Sale or approval chapter. Sale or approval, it is in every question. In a chapter called sale or approval, it is in every question. Majority students don't know this. Oh, okay. I will tell you that table, right? No problem. Fine. But कोई बात नहीं. चलो हम कर लेते हैं. Just a minute. So in short, guys, we need to minus GP percentage on sale. We need to minus GP percentage on sale. वो कर लेते हैं. Just a minute. Wait. Okay. I will share. Now from, so this is guys perfect calculation, guys. This is a perfect statement, right? See, inventory physical as on 7/4/22. Okay. What we have to add? What we have to add? Sales minus sales return. So it is net sales. Sales minus sales return. So it is net sales minus GP percentage on sale, right? That we will add. Okay. That we will add. What we will minus? We will minus net purchase. Yeah, we will minus net purchase. That is purchase minus purchase returns. And this is an important point, guys, which is very, very interesting. I love this point. See, sometimes you will given CP or CP and NRV. Sometimes you will be given CP and NRV. And now, guys, what is our rule of inventory valuation? CP or NRV, whichever is less. Right, guys? CP or NRV, whichever is less. So if you are given CP and you are given NRV, and if NRV is less than cost price, then what does it mean? If, because inventory is always at cost price, but say for example, in inventory, there is some stock which is out of dated stock, old stock, obsolete stock. So if it is out of dated stock, old stock, ऑब्सोलेट स्टॉक, तो इसका एनआरवी मतलब मार्केट प्राइस कैन बी लोअर देन कॉस्ट प्राइस, and if market price is reduced than cost price, we need to reduce our stock also. So what I have written, read very carefully, difference of CP or NRV of any old or obsolete or out of dated stock when NRV is less than cost price. When NRV is less than cost price, friend, because inventory is always given at cost price. अगर आपका एनआरवी सीपी से कम हो गया है तो लॉजिकली आपको उतना स्टॉक कम करना पड़ेगा ना वैल्यूएशन गाइस, बिकॉज़ एनआरवी इज लेस देन कॉस्ट प्राइस, and therefore this statement will prepare in next 2-3 questions when we need to find out inventory from 7th of April to 31st March. So guys, this statement, this logic, this small points, clear friend? Can we go further? Yes guys, can we go further? NRV का full form होता है net realizable value, that is market price. Okay, and GP मतलब gross profit के percentage. CP मतलब cost price. Okay guys, fine. So we will use this statement in a question. We will use this statement in a question. Okay. Okay, friend. So first, let's start with a simple question, that is question number 9. Okay. A trader prepares his accounts on 31st March every year. Due to some unavoidable reasons, no inventory taking could be possible until 15 April, on which date the cost of goods, see guys, this is what I'm talking about. The cost of goods, कौन सा शब्द यूज किया है? Cost of goods in its go down is 5 lakh rupees. So guys, this is the inventory as on 15 April. As on 15 April. Okay. The following transactions between 31st March to 15 April. The following transactions between 31st March to 15 April. So guys, this is sales, simple. This is purchase and this is sales return. Okay. See, cash sales, credit sale, हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Forget about cash credit. We don't have any differences. So sale, purchase and sales return, and GP is given 20 on sale. GP is given 20 on sale. Okay, so let's conclude this question, guys. Conclude this answer as per our routine logic, right guys? So first we need to prepare this small table, right? So physical stock you are giving on 15th April. You are giving on 15th April. And it is given 5 lakh. 5 lakh. Now friend, we have to add sales minus sales return. What? Sales minus sales return minus GP percentage on sale. Sales minus sales return minus GP percentage on sale. Yes, guys. So sales minus sales return. What? Sales minus sales return. Sales is given for like 10,000, guys. Minus sales return 10,000. Right? Minus GP percentage on sale. Clear, guys? Simple. So I need to add 320. Add, guys. I need to add 320. I have to less purchase minus purchase return. I am given only purchase 50340. I am given only purchase 50340. No NRV CP concept is there. So 5 lakh plus 320 minus 3 minus 50340. So it will be, as you know, 769,660. 769,660. Simple calculation, guys. Thank you, Arun. Clear, guys? Simple calculation. Mitra, everything is included. I have told cash, credit, I don't have any differences. I need to take total sales and total purchase. I have included everything. Either it is cash or credit. You can see the figures. some one student is saying sir sales return 1 lakh rupees है. Dear, सबको एक बार पढ़ो तो सही. सेल्स रिटर्न 1 लाख रुपीस है डियर. आप थोड़ा तो पढ़ो यार, थोड़ा तो पढ़ो. सेल्स रिटर्न 1 लाख रुपीस है. कुछ भी एटलीस्ट रीड क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली डियर. सेल्स रिटर्न कहां 1 लाख रुपीस है? वो तो कैश सेल्स है. रिटर्न तो नीचे अलग से दिया है 10,000. थोड़ा पढ़ो डियर प्लीज. बेटर. Right, guys? So cash credit doesn't matter. I have to just minus my GP percentage from the net sales. Net sales means sales minus return. Crystal clear. Okay, dear. Fine. So some students are asking why sir cash and credit doesn't affect. Dear, क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? मैं कैश में बेचूं, क्रेडिट में बेचूं, मेरा प्रॉफिट तो दोनों पे सेम ही है. अगर आपको अलग अलग प्रॉफिट दिया हो दोनों पे तो अलग अलग करना पड़ेगा. प्रॉफिट दोनों का कॉमन है तो मुझे दोनों पे सेम ही लेना है. एंड आई हैव टू रिड्यूस माय रिटर्न फ्रॉम द सेल्स. ऐसा आपने स्कूल लेवल में सीखा है, फाउंडेशन में सीखा है कि यू शुड टेक ऑलवेज द नेट सेल्स. नेट सेल्स माइनस जीपी परसेंटेज. राइट? हाँ हाँ, वो मैं टेबल सिखाऊंगा. इतना हड़बड़ाहट मत करो. आई विल टीच दैट टेबल ऑफ सीपी एंड एसपी. रुको जरा. हाँ, हो जाएगा. शांति शांति. Okay, fine guys. Now let's start other question. आई होप जिनके छोटे छोटे डाउट थे वो क्लियर हो गए होंगे. यार, कैश हो के क्रेडिट तो मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. दोनों के ऊपर प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज सेम है. और ये तो बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सिंपलेस्ट लॉजिक है कि आई हैव टू अप्लाई जीपी परसेंटेज ऑन नेट सेल्स, दैट इज आफ्टर रिड्यूसिंग रिटर्न. Okay, this is a very common thing. Fine guys, now let's go with next question, that is 10. Let's go with question number 10. This is nice question. Thank you, Anjana. Okay, now 10. The inventory taking for the 31st March 20 was completed on 10th April 20. Okay, and on that day the stock is 16,75,000. Okay, so guys, can we start like this please? Let's prepare a table. Inventory on 10th of April. So this should be our starting point, friends. Right, guys? This should be our starting point, right? Sales, some students are asking why GP is reduced. मैंने कम से कम 5 बार बोला, 5 बार. आप बताओ, जिन्होंने पूछा, मैं नाम नहीं देना चाहता, आप बताओ डियर, आपके हिसाब से why I have reduced GP from sales? You tell me, what do you understand? क्यों सेल में से जीपी माइनस करना चाहिए? वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग इन्वेंटरी एंड मैंने सेल में से जीपी माइनस करके ऐड किया, तो व्हाट यू अंडरस्टैंड, क्यों आपके हिसाब से बताओ लॉजिक क्यों माइनस करना चाहिए डियर? और ये अब तक हमने 37 मिनट्स पढ़ा, उसमें मैंने 4 से 5 बार रिपीट कर दिया, व्हाई वी आर रिड्यूसिंग जीपी फ्रॉम सेल्स. तो जिन्होंने पूछा है वो मुझे उनका लॉजिक पता है, आपके हिसाब से जीपी क्यों माइनस करना चाहिए. और मैंने हिंट दे दिया कि ये चैप्टर का नाम इन्वेंटरी है. तो आप बताओ पहले डियर, व्हाई वी हैव टू माइनस फ्रॉम सेल्स जीपी. जिन्होंने क्वेश्चन पूछा है वही बताए, ठीक है, बाकी सब तो यहां बोल ही रहे हैं क्यों बताना है, क्यों क्यों माइनस करना है. फिर मैं समझा दूंगा आपको फिर से एक बार, छठी बार, आई डोंट माइंड. ओके गाइस, सो 1675, okay, is my starting point. After the end of accounting year and till the date of completion of inventory taking, sales are given 68750. Sales are given 68750. Sales are given, right guys? So as per our calculation, our logic, our formula, okay, I have to write sales here guys, 68750. हम बिल्कुल स्टेप बाय स्टेप कर रहे हैं, एक सम पढ़ेंगे, सम के साथ अमाउंट लिखेंगे, आप भी साथ में लिखते जाना गाइस. इफ यू आर नॉट राइटिंग द क्वेश्चन लाइक मी, आप सिर्फ मजे से लेक्चर देख रहे हो शांति से बैठे बैठे, तो अकाउंट्स देखने से नहीं आता. यस, उसको लिखना पड़ता है. इफ यू आर नॉट राइटिंग विथ मी, even if you are writing but you are not writing the important points and concept, then there is no point that we are discussing this. You have to write. Yes, you have to write. Don't see the just question answer PPT, मजा आ रहा है, हो रहा है. It will not work. Okay, you have to write, and only it will go in mind. Please, my humble request guys. Okay, next one. Now profit margin is given 33.33 on cost. 33.33 on cost. We need on sales. We need on sales, right guys? So at present I am just telling you, after that I will make you understand the table or calculation, but 33.33 on cost equal to 25 on sales, right? 25 on sale. How? I will explain. Don't write queries 1500 times, sir, how it is, how it is, how it is. I will explain afterwards. Okay, so at present it is 25 on sale. $25 on sale. It is 25 on sale. Okay. Next guys. Purchase for the next year included in the inventories 90,000 at cost, less discount 10%. Less discount 10%. So my real purchase is 81,000, friend. My real purchase is 81,000, right? Real purchase is 81,000. Purchase is 81,000. Right, guys? Next. During this period, goods were added to inventory at markup price. मैं बहुत शांति से बोल रहा हूं, लिख देना, लिखना है तो बाद में 50-70 क्वेश्चन नहीं चाहिए सर. व्हाट इज मार्कअप प्राइस मैं बोल रहा हूं, ध्यान से सुन लेना, लिख देना. ओके, इफ यू डोंट राइट देयर इज नो मीनिंग ऑफ दिस टीचिंग. मार्कअप प्राइस मीन्स सेलिंग प्राइस. लिख देना. मार्कअप प्राइस मीन्स सेलिंग प्राइस. Markup price means selling price. So this 3,000 is a selling price. This 3,000 is a selling price. लेकिन किसका? Of sales return. किसका guys? Of sales return. So if it is sales return, then we need selling price only. Why? Because we have to reduce from sale. We have to reduce from sale. So we need selling price, and it is given selling price. Markup price matlab selling price. I need selling price and given also selling price. So guys, logically I can simply minus from here. I can directly minus from here, friend. Okay, so now my formula is complete. 68750 minus 3,000 minus 25%, guys. So what I need to add? 49312. My final answer. 49312. हाँ, कुछ लोगों ने आगे मुझे पूछा था जीपी माइनस क्यों करने का, वही जवाब दे रहे हैं. बिकॉज वी नीड cost price, because inventory at cost price, we need to find out cost price, and here also that's why I have minus GP percentage. Now I hope it is clear why we are minusing GP percentage, right? Because we need cost price. So guys, till this point clear, guys? Can we go further, friends? अभी भी पूछ रहे हैं लोग, सर 25% कहां से आया? मैंने कितनी स्पष्ट बात की ना, मैं बाद में समझाऊंगा. आप जो हो रहा है वो पहले पढ़ लो. मैंने बोल दिया वो जो बाकी मैं समझा दूंगा, बट जो हो रहा है वो तो एक बार समझ लो फ्रेंड्स. डोंट वरी, आई विल क्लियर इट. तो आप अभी वो मत देखो सर 25 कहां से आया. जो है उसको पहले बराबर समझ लो. ओके, माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट. कुछ बाकी नहीं रखूंगा, चिंता मत करो. डन गाइस? शायद क्वेश्चन में ऐसा लिखा है 90,000 माइनस 10%. बेटा ऐसे 81 आया है. बहुत सिंपल इंग्लिश में लिखा है, इफ यू कैन रीड. 90,000 and discount is 10%. So it is 81,000, right? Okay. Now let's move to the question. Okay. After the inventory taking, it was found that now guys, there are two findings. There are two problems. There are two abnormal stock. There are two out of dated stock. There are two old stock. There are two obsolete stock. Okay. There are certain slow moving old stock. Guys, अभी हमने 10 मिनट पहले एक रूल समझा regarding old and slow moving stock. Can you tell me what we understood? If there is some old stock, then what we understood? What was our concept? That's why I'm telling you, you have to write the statement. If you just see the PPT and just listen, it will not serve the purpose. If you have written the concepts in previous PPT, tell me what was our concept. If there is old stock, obsolete stock, then what we have to compare and what we are supposed to do, guys. Tell me. Be fast, giving you only 10 seconds. What we learn. Here it's a old stock is given. Then what was our concept? What we learned? क्या करना है हमें? What concept you will understand? If there is old stock, obsolete stock, slow moving stock, what we understood, what we are supposed to do. I have shared in my previous PPTs, guys. Perfect, guys. Perfect. क्या बात है, मजा आ गया. जो लिख रहे हैं समझ रहे हैं उनके पर रिस्पेक्ट होता है, राइट? बिकॉज वो पढ़ते हैं, वो समझते हैं, आगे लिखा हुआ है, नोट्स लिखी हुई है, तभी जाके ये आता है. सर इफ सर वी हैव टू कंपेयर सीपी और एनआरवी, we have to compare CP and NRV, and if NRV, if NRV is less than cost price, then we have to reduce the difference. We have to reduce the difference. We have to reduce difference. क्या बात है, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Okay, now guys, here it's an old stock. Costing is 11,250, which should be taken at 5,250 for insurance disposal to customer. So guys, we can sell these goods to one customer at 5,250. So 11,250 is a cost price and 5,250 is a NRV. NRV का मतलब होता है estimated selling price. So guys, tell me what we should do now. 11,250 is a cost price. 5,250 is a NRV, that is estimated selling price. Tell me what should we do, guys? Tell me what should we do now? What should we do now in this particular two amounts? What should we do? Tell me, guys, what should we do? Sir, we have to compare this. We have to find out difference. And because NRV is less than cost price, NRV is less than cost price, NRV is less than cost price, sir, we have to reduce our closing stock by 6,000. It is written in a very simple English. It is written in a very simple English. So guys, 11250 minus 5250 6,000. I have to minus 6,000. Then guys, next one. Due to heavy flood, certain goods costing. What costing? What is the word costing? Costing 15,500 were received from the supplier beyond the delivery date of customer. As a result, customer refused to take delivery. Customer ने बोल दिया कि भैया जब मुझे गुड्स चाहिए था तब तुमने दिया नहीं, अब तुम गुड्स दे रहे हो तो मुझे गुड्स नहीं चाहिए, because you skip the deadline. Now I don't want your goods. Customer ने मना कर दिया, भैया तुम चले जाओ, मुझे गुड्स नहीं चाहिए. Refuse to take delivery. And NRV, this is the full form of NRV, and NRV is now 12,500. So guys, now tell me the same concept, same logic, what we should do now? What we should do, friend? What we should do of this? क्या करेंगे इसका? क्या बात है, फास्ट आंसर, वेरी नाइस सर. सेम स्टोरी सर, सेम स्टोरी. सीपीएनआरवी कंपेयर करेंगे सर, सीपीएनआरवी कंपेयर करेंगे सर. यहां भी एनआरवी इज लेस देन सीपी, यहां भी एनआरवी इज लेस देन सीपी. सेम स्टोरी, सेम कंसेप्ट, सेम लॉजिक, सेम कैलकुलेशन गाइस. यस, clear friend? And now here purchase return is not given guys. In a question we have concluded the question guys. So here I have to minus 81,000. And now you can calculate the answer friend. 1675 plus 49312 minus 81,000 minus 6,000 and minus 3,000. So it should be 1634312. This should be the last answer. This should be the last answer. हाँ, सेम स्टोरी है, सही बात है. परफेक्ट. Yes, we have to assume CP or NRV. If NRV is more than CP, then nothing to do. Okay, no plus, no minus, no effect. Thank you, Arun. Paranita, I answer your query. Okay, when it is like this, you will be given CP or NRV. Okay, NRV is nothing but selling price. Thank you, Rituraj. Thank you. हाँ, 2 रुपीज के लिए क्वेश्चन मत पूछो फ्रेंड. इन डेप्रिसिएशन ऑल्सो सो मेनी स्टूडेंट आस्क मी क्वेश्चन, सर बुक में दिया है और आपके आंसर में 5 रुपीज का फर्क है, 7 रुपीज का फर्क है. यार 2 रुपीज के फर्क में कुछ नहीं होगा. प्लीज, कई लोगों ने डेप्रिसिएशन में इतना परेशान किया है मुझे, 20 बार एक क्वेरी पूछी, सर 10 रुपीज का फर्क है, सर 7 रुपीज का फर्क है, सर फ्रैक्शन का फर्क है. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, इंस्टीट्यूट को 2-5 रुपीज 10 रुपीज का कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार. इग्नोर करो 2-5 रुपीज को, आप कंसेप्ट समझो. 2-5-10 रुपीज से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. ओके, आपके मार्क नहीं कटेंगे, चिंता मत करो. ओके, आप कंसेप्ट समझो, नोट्स लिखो जैसा लिखा हुआ, यू विल गेट द मार्क्स. 2 रुपीज, 1 रुपीज, 5 रुपीज, इट्स टू स्मॉल थिंग्स, डोंट वरी अबाउट दिस. Okay, okay, guys. So this is final answer, right? Now, how this 25? मुझे पता है लोग पूछते हैं, सर अब तो सम खत्म हो गया, अब समझा दो 25 कहां से आया. Yes, yes, we are doing, guys. Don't worry, don't worry. Okay, don't worry. लेकिन गाइस लिख देना यार, आप लोग नहीं लिखोगे फिर आप फिर से पूछोगे. Okay, my humble request, please write the concepts. Okay, don't just take the screenshot and read, please. If you don't write, then it will be very much difficult for you. Okay, now guys, what is our common formula? C plus P equal to S, right guys? C plus P equal to S. पता है ना ये तो guys, cost plus profit equal to sales. Cost plus profit equal to selling price, right? C plus P equal to S. Okay. Now friend, in this question percentage are given 33.33 on cost, right? जो आपका एक बिल्कुल लॉजिकल क्वेश्चन है, राइट? आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस, राइट गाइस? 33.33 on cost, right guys? Okay, okay guys, fine. On cost लिखा है, on cost क्या लिखा है? on cost लिखा है, क्या लिखा है? on cost लिखा है. तो सबसे पहले रूल लिख देना, जीपी परसेंटेज if given on cost, then we have to assume cost as 100 because it is given on cost. So profit will be 33.33. So this will be 133.33. ये clear guys? Simple. Okay. Profit is given. Profit is given on cost. Profit is given on cost. तो अगर cost 100 रुपया है तो profit 33.33 है, तो ये 133.33 है, right? Now this profit, we need profit on sale, right guys? We need profit percentage on sale. Profit percentage on sale. So you can do like this guys, 33.33 divided by 133.33 into 100, right? We can do like this guys, ओके, मैंने इनका रेशियो निकाला है, कुछ और नहीं किया है, इनका रेशियो निकाला है, राइट? Got it, guys? We need profit divided by sales. Profit divided by sales. Okay. So it is 25 on sale. Okay. Done, guys. I hope now it is clear. Okay. This is a very simple and basic understanding. Very simple and basic understanding. Understood, guys? हंड्रेड हमने एज्यूम किया है, कहीं से आया नहीं है डियर. GP 33.33 on cost, so something we have to assume 100, right? So we have assumed cost as 100, right? Understood, friend? Okay. Crystal clear. Thank you, Himanshu. Thank you, Varun. Thank you, Sima. Thank you, all of you guys. Clear. Thank you. Okay, guys. Chalo, fine. Okay, now we can prepare a small table regarding this. Please write this table. और ये टेबल जो है गाइस, वो मैंने अपने हिसाब से बनाया हुआ है. कंसेप्ट यही है जो आपको लिखा है, बट टू मेक इट सिंपल Then guys, can we go further, friends? And this we have used in this question. Okay, in this question we have used this. Yes, shortcut बहुत लोगों ने यहाँ लिखा है. शॉर्टकट आप अपने हिसाब से बना सकते हो. कंसेप्ट ये है. शॉर्टकट you can do at your own. that you have to understand from your own self. Okay guys, done. Perfect. And now we are doing very good question of module. Interesting also. Interesting also. Yes, very interesting question. That is illustration number 8. That is illustration number 8. Okay, from the following particulars, ascertain the value of inventories. What, guys? Value of inventories. Value of inventories. Value of inventories as on 31st March 20. So guys, we need to find out closing stock. And what you are given? You are given inventory, that is opening stock plus purchase, manufacturing expenses, selling expenses, administrative expenses, financial charges, and sales. And at the time of valuing inventory as on 31st March 19, okay, what we are talking about? 19. So this is something about this inventory, friend. Okay. So when we value this inventory, so when we value this inventory, there is a problem. What is the problem? a sum of 17,500 was written off. Was written off. Guys, write the meaning of this. Please write. Please write. Written off means reduce. Written off means reduce. Please write. Written off means reduce. Written off means reduce. Okay. So 17,500 has been reduced on a particular item which was originally purchased for 50,000. So सीधा मतलब ये हुआ guys, 50,000 is a cost price, but from this 50,000 we have to reduce 17,500. 50,000 is a cost price, but at the time of valuation, we have reduced 17,500. We have reduced 17,500 from this 50,000. We have reduced 17,500 from this 50,000. Okay. And these goods were sold during the year for 45,000. And this is one type of old stock. Abnormal stock has been sold during the year at 45,000. And the GP percentage is 20 on sale. So guys, how to solve this question? Unique question, different type of question. Sir, we are given the details of opening, purchase, sales, etc. We are given details of opening plus purchase, sales, etc. and expenses. We are supposed to find out the closing stock. So guys, from this you can understand we are given information to prepare trading account. We are given information, opening, purchase, sales, GP, expenses. Yes, it is an information of trading account. So guys, we will prepare trading account and we will try to find out closing stock after preparing trading account. Clear, friends? So we need to prepare trading account. Yes, guys. We need to prepare trading account. Thank you, Sivasri. So guys, please prepare the format of trading account, guys. Please prepare the format of trading account. Please prepare the format of trading account, guys. Be fast. Then guys, okay, let's start. Now friend, inventory opening stock is given 142500, right? Opening is stock is given 142500. Okay, but small adjustment. At the time of valuing this opening stock, 17,500 has been reduced of some cost price of 50,000. So now guys, listen carefully. When we are valuing this opening stock of 142,500, when we are valuing this 142,500, we find out one particular item having a cost of 50,000, but we reduce this 50,000 by 17,500. So guys, can you tell me a single one word answer? The cost price of the goods is 50,000, but due to some reason, we have reduced this 50,000 by 17,500. So can you tell me by which amount we must have been value this abnormal stock? By which amount we must have valued this abnormal stock? By which amount we must have valued this abnormal stock? Tell me guys. क्या बात है? Perfect. Perfect. Yes, guys. So, sir, we must have valued. We must have valued by this stock at 32,500. Very nice, friend. Very nice. So now I can share with this small explanation. You all are correct? Okay. So now you can understand this explanation, guys. Please write it. Please write it, friend. Yes, guys. So the opening stock is given 142500. 50,000 is an abnormal stock. Remember, guys, this is abnormal stock, right? 50,000, which is reduced by return of means reduced by 17,500. So it is valued at 32,500. So guys, I can say my normal opening stock is 1,10,000, guys. Simple. My normal opening stock is 1,10,000. Can we say this, guys? By this calculation, clear, guys? My normal opening stock is 1,10,000. Yes, guys. Okay. Fine, friend. Clear, friend? Guys, this both are part of trading, purchase and manufacturing expenses. Okay. This both are part of purchase and manufacturing expenses. Clear, friend? Now, friend, now these three expenses we will ignore. These three expenses we will ignore, right? Because these are not trading expenses. These are profit and loss expense. Clear, guys? These are not trading expenses. These are profit and loss expenses. Now, only remaining is sales. Now, sales is given 1245. Sales is given 1245, but it is said that here, and this goods were sold at 45,000. Clear, guys? And this goods has been sold at 45,000. So our total sale is 1245. Out of that, this abnormal good sale is 45. Therefore, our normal sale, normal sale is 12 lakh. Our normal sale is 12 lakh. Clear, friends? Clear? We should not consider abnormal. We need normal. I hope it is clear, friends. Right? Clear, guys? Can we go further now, friends? Can we go further? So, guys, now this trading account, now you can understand very easily. This trading account is of normal. Okay, this trading account is a normal trading account. We have to remove abnormal goods. Why? Why? Now logic. What we are supposed to find out? Tell me, guys. What we are supposed to find out in this question? क्या ढूंढना है हमें? हमें क्या ढूंढना है इस क्वेश्चन में? Tell me, क्या ढूंढना है हमें इस क्वेश्चन में? What we are supposed to find out in this question? Sir, we need to find out closing stock, right? Okay. And sir, we can find out closing stock only when we are given GP percentage. Only when we are given GP percentage. So first tell me, guys, are you given GP percentage? Tell me. Are you given GP percentage? Yes, guys. Are we given GP percentage in a question, guys? Yes. 20 on sales. How much, guys? 20 on sales. Okay, now listen carefully. यहाँ क्या लिखा है? Bearing this. So what does it mean? Bearing this transaction, GP is 20 on sale. Tell me, guys, what is the meaning of this? Bearing this transaction. ये पूरा पैराग्राफ दिया हुआ है. See, ये पूरा पैराग्राफ दिया हुआ है कि भाई 17,500 reduce, 50,000 is cost. This goods we have sold in 45,000. Bearing this transaction, GP is 20 on sale. What is the meaning of bearing this transaction? Tell me, guys. What is the meaning of bearing this transaction? What does it mean? Tell me, guys. Bearing this transaction मतलब क्या? Bearing this transaction, GP is 20 on sale मतलब क्या? What is that? Yes. Without this transaction, except this transaction, without that, excluding this. अब आप समझो, बहुत लोगों ने मुझे पूछा, सर एबनॉर्मल क्या होता है, क्यों आप माइनस कर रहे हो, क्यों नॉर्मल गिन रहे हो? तो बेटा अब आएगा वो समझ में. आप वो पॉइंट पे मुझे आने दो. आप सीधा 5-5-6 जगह टाइप नहीं करोगे, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. मैं तभी बताऊंगा जब वो पॉइंट आएगा, तभी वो समझ में आएगा. ठीक है? ओके. तो सीधा मीनिंग ये है गाइस, this GP percentage should be applied only when we have removed effect of this abnormal transactions, guys. And where this transaction is, sir, it is part of opening stock. Okay, remove from it. Sir, it is part of sales. Remove from this. So we have remove, we have exclude, we have remove, we have exclude this transaction from opening stock and from sales. Now this is a normal account and institute says भैया इसको निकाल दो, नॉर्मल वाले पे गिनो, एबनॉर्मल वाले को निकाल दो. ये निकालने के बाद जीपी परसेंटेज ढूंढना है गाइस. Therefore we have removed effect of this abnormal goods from opening stock and from sale, because now only we can apply this 20%. Now is it clear, friend? Can I go further? Yes, guys. Can we go further, friends? This line will be compulsory there. even if this line is not given, we have to remove abnormal part from the sales and opening stock. Clear, guys? So now GP, yes friends, my dear friends, GP is 20% on sale. Yes, guys, on this 12 lakh. Clear, friend? Clear? And now, guys, you can make a total. And this will be the balancing figure. Clear, guys? Thank you, Arya. Then, friends, yes, friend. Okay, perfect. Yes, guys. So now this chapter is over, guys, and we will have a break of 5 to 7 minutes, because I know this is not that much easy, this concept, I know that. So we will have only break of 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, just 7 to 8 minutes. And after this 7 to 8 minutes, we will start with bank reconciliation statement. Okay, so be there, guys. We will meet after 8 minutes. Okay, maximum 7 to 8 minutes. Once again, good morning, friends. Sorry, good afternoon now. And we have concluded inventory. And now we are starting bank reconciliation statement. Yes, guys. Bank reconciliation statement. Kavitham, we have to be like this. We have to be like this. Yeah. Okay. Fine, guys. So let's first start with the module. Never do anything without referring module, guys. So first of all, why we need to prepare BRS? Okay. So first of all, guys, if we prepare BRS, we will able to find out errors. We will able to find out errors. Second, we will able to find out any undue delay in the clearance of check, right? So if say for example we deposit check today, that is 6th of August, generally it is clear on next day as per the current RBI clearing system. So till Saturday evening, money should be in your pocket, apart from Sunday, right? Next working day. But if money is not credited in your account since last 2 days, then it may happen that by mistake, intentionally or unintentionally, it goes to someone else's credit and you will be at loss. So it gives you an alarm. भैया आपके खाते में पैसे जमा नहीं हुए जो कल हो जाने चाहिए थे. बैंक वाले को फोन करो, कॉल करो. Why money is not credited? When you will able to know this? When you prepare BRS. And last, a regular BRS discourage the accountant of the bank from the embezzlement. What is embezzlement? It is one type of fraud. So if you prepare BRS regularly, then you can perhaps discourage someone from your staff or from bank staff that they don't take you in a very liberal mode. अगर कोई बंदा बिजनेस कर रहा है, वो कुछ चेकिंग नहीं कर रहा, he doesn't prepare this statements, he doesn't care for the checking of balances, then somebody from staff would say, okay, वैसे भी he is taking everything is very leniently, doesn't check very much. Okay, if we do the fraud, he will not able to come because he doesn't check, reconcile regularly. So if you are doing this, people will afraid to do anything wrong because you are checking the balances regular. Next is, guys, why there is a difference between the balance of cash book and balance of passbook. Okay, only two differences, only two reasons. First, timing difference. What is timing difference? Timing difference is nothing but in one book, transaction is recorded before cutoff date, and in other book, it is recorded after cutoff date. Say for example, our cutoff date is balance sheet date, that is 31st March 22. So it means some transactions are recorded before 31st March in one book, but the same transaction recorded in other book after 31st March. So naturally, due to this timing difference, this both book will show separate or different closing balance, because एक बुक में रिकॉर्ड हो चुका है, एक बुक में रिकॉर्ड होने का बाकी है. It's a timing difference. And second is error. There are so many errors, guys. Amount error, side error, posting error, carry forward error, omission, right? So there are so many errors due to which closing balance differ. Now passbook, guys, this is the format of passbook. Please remember very carefully, guys. In passbook there is no debit credit side, मतलब T format नहीं है, वो statement type है. Okay, guys. So date, particulars, check number, withdrawal. Please write, guys. Withdrawal means expenses. Please write, guys. Withdrawal means expenses and payments. Withdrawal means expenses and payments. Withdrawal means expenses and payments. And deposit means income and receipts. Please write, guys. Deposits means receipts and income. Withdrawal means payment and expenses. Now, friend, in BRS, what we will compare? Please remember very carefully, guys. We will compare cash book, but which column? Bank column. In cash book, there can be 3 columns: cash column, discount column, and bank column. So in BRS, we are concerned only with bank column and passbook or bank statement, which will be compared. Importance BRS, we understood. Now, timing difference, guys. Okay, we understood also. So, in one book, it is done before cutoff date. In other book, it is done after cutoff date. This is called timing difference. And some of the frequently cost differences. This is we will do afterwards. But before starting this, we need to understand format of cash book, guys. Without that, we cannot even start BRS. So please write, please write format of cash book, guys. Please write. Format of cash book. Now, friend, remember debit side matlab receipt side, income side, debit side. Please remember, guys, very carefully. And what is credit side? It's an expense side. This both heading, please remember carefully, guys. Right, guys, please remember carefully. Receipt side, matlab income side, that is debit side. Payment side, that is expense side, that is credit side. आपको आगे स्कूल लेवल में कहीं सिखाया गया होगा या तो इनिशियल फाउंडेशन में सिखाया गया होगा जो थियरी वाला चैप्टर है. ऐसा हम अकाउंटिंग कंसेप्ट बोलते हैं, आए तो उधार जाए तो जमा, ऐसा बोलते हैं ना सर. डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट, राइट? सो इनकम, receipts and payment expenses. Now, guys, opening balance. Please write very carefully, guys. it's a asset. So generally it have a debit balance. Please write very carefully. It's a asset. So generally it will have a debit balance. Debit balance matlab favorable balance, positive balance, and balance. Please write all these three very carefully. Debit balance means balance, favorable balance, and positive balance. If it is given overdraft, then it will be a credit balance, unfavorable balance, and negative balance. Please write this very carefully, friends. Please write this very carefully. Debit balance means favorable, credit balance matlab negative, debit balance means balance, and credit balance matlab overdraft. Okay, this opening is opposite side closing, guys. This opening is opposite side closing. Very simple to understand. Now, what are our receipts? This debit side, guys. मैंने highlight किया हुआ है. What are our receipts? What are our receipts? See, check deposited is our income. Check collected is our income. BR collected, it means our income. Check paid into bank, matlab check deposited. Bill discounted, matlab our income. Interest, dividend, rent, received, tax refund, all are our income. And customer directly deposit in our bank. So हमारे बैंक में पैसा आया, it's all our income. Guys, this all are debit side because in all this situation we are receiving money. We are receiving money in our bank account. We are receiving money in our bank account. So this all are income. Please write very carefully, guys. Don't take only screenshot. This all are our income. Now, what are our payments, guys? What are our payments? This all are our payments, guys. Check issued. हमने किसी को check दिया. Check issued, check given, check drawn. All are same meaning. It is our expense. Bills payable, our expense. Bank charges, our expense. Bank interest, our expense. Loan interest, our expense. Check dishonor, it should be reverse. And all expenses, LIC premium, loan payment, electricity payment, mobile payment, tax payment, all over are our expense. So guys, please write these words very carefully, guys, because in every question, if you don't know this, then it will be no meaning of learning this chapter. So these are all our debit side, our income. Please write carefully, guys. This all are our income. This all are our income. And this all are our expense. This all are our expense. I hope you written, guys. And now write one more important sentence in last, guys. The passbook is exactly opposite of cash book. The passbook is exactly opposite of cash book. Yes, guys. The passbook is exactly opposite of cash book. So यहां पर जो डेबिट साइड होंगे, पासबुक में वो क्रेडिट साइड होंगे. पासबुक में जो क्रेडिट साइड होंगे, यहां पर वो डेबिट साइड होंगे. ओके, कैश बुक का डेबिट, पासबुक का क्रेडिट, पासबुक का क्रेडिट, कैश बुक का डेबिट, एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट साइड, एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट साइड. Right guys, exactly opposite side. Now friend, write these rules very carefully guys. Rules of starting point of BRS. Starting point of BRS. If starting point is cash book, then ending point will be as per passbook naturally. If starting point is passbook, then ending point will be कैश बुक. वेरी सिंपल गाइस. ओके, अगर आप शुरू करोगे कैश बुक से तो आपका आंसर आएगा पासबुक से. अगर आप शुरू करोगे पासबुक से तो आपका आंसर आएगा इस पर कैश बुक. सिंपल. एंड राइट दिस एब्सोल्युटली क्लियरली. बैलेंस एज पर कैश बुक मीन्स, बैलेंस एज पर कैश बुक मीन्स डेबिट बैलेंस, पॉजिटिव बैलेंस, favorable balance. Balance as per cash book means debit. Balance as per cash book means debit. And therefore OD means overdraft. Overdraft as per cash book means credit. Balance as per cash book means debit because it is our asset. Balance as per cash book means it is our asset, debit balance. And overdraft for a liability, so it will be credit balance. Right? And as per passbook it is opposite. And as per passbook it is opposite. So balance as per passbook is credit and OD as per passbook is debit. So guys, these four are the fundamental. These four are the fundamental of BRS. Balance as per cash book means debit. OD as per cash book is credit. And as per passbook, it is exactly opposite. As per passbook, it is exactly opposite. As per passbook, it is exactly opposite. Then guys, balance as per cash book means debit. Overdraft as per cash book means credit. And if it is given as per passbook, then it is exactly opposite. And the last point of today's session, guys. What is rules of BRS? What is rules of BRS? Do what is not done. Do what is not done. जो नहीं हुआ वो कर दो. जो नहीं हुआ है वो कर दो. मतलब अगर डेबिट करने का बाकी है तो डेबिट कर दो, क्रेडिट करने का बाकी है तो क्रेडिट कर दो. डू व्हाट इज नॉट डन. डू व्हाट इज नॉट डन. जो करने का बाकी है वो कर दो. अगर डेबिट करने का बाकी है तो डेबिट कर दो, अगर क्रेडिट करने का बाकी है तो क्रेडिट कर दो. डू व्हाट इज नॉट डन. एंड सेकंड इज रेक्टिफाई द एरर्स. Rectify the errors. Just 2 rules and chapter will over, guys. Just 2 rules and chapter will be over, guys. So guys, here we are concluding today's session, guys. If anything, you can mail me. I know that some student has mailed me. Okay, I will respond. I need little bit time, guys, because season is going on. I am a practicing chartered accountant, so अभी season चल रहा है, थोड़ा pressure है, but definitely next week I will respond. So guys, see you in next session, guys. Next session, I think it is on Monday. Sorry, Tuesday. Next session is on Tuesday, 9th. Okay, guys. So see you on 9th. Till that, this is CA Dr. Mihir Pujara signing off. Have a nice time. Goodbye. Keep smiling and spread smiling. And guys, tomorrow is a friendship day. So wish you happy friendship day, guys. See you on Tuesday. That is 9th. Arya, it is a asset. It is not a profit and loss account. Cash book is a asset. So whatever comes debit, whatever goes out credit. It is not PL account. टैक्स रिफंड कैसे मिलता है वो हम सीखेंगे इंटरमीडिएट में जब हम इनकम टैक्स सीखेंगे. Weightage of this chapter is 6 to 8 marks minimum. Thank you, Adhav. Thank you, Kirti. Awesome. Okay. Thank you, Varun. Thank you, Ashish. Thank you, Mahesh. Thank you all of you who said me happy friendship day. Same to you all of you guys. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye. Have a nice time. Goodbye.